I'm in Parker, Colorado today, and I have this amazing new construction home by Taylor Morrison to show you. Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and I'm also a suburban mom. I have raised my 3 kids here in the Denver suburbs, and I know the areas well. Now, this home that I'm showing you today by Taylor Morrison, I had to do it in my car because it's loud out there. New construction is happening. This home, though, is a next-gen home or a multi-generational home. So if you're looking for a home where maybe you're gonna have a parent or parents living with you, or maybe adult kids that maybe need their own space, this might be the property for you. This next-gen home, it is amazing because there is an interior door that connects the next-gen part with the actual home. The next-gen part has a full bedroom, full bathroom, small family room, sitting area. It's got a kitchenette. It has its own outside front door, and it has its own garage. And it's all part of the main house. So you can go through the interior door and still participate with all of the rest of the people who live in the main home. It's really cool. This home starts at $849,900. And it's 3,794 square feet. Now that does not include the unfinished basement portion. Now, depending on how you choose the options, it can be a 5 or 6 bedroom home with a 4.5 to 5.5 bathroom home. It does have a 3 to 4 car garage. It has a loft. They sit on really good sized lots, and it is in Parker, Colorado. So let's go in and take a look around. that an amazing home? Now this home, this new build community, well, there's 2 different collections and there's 10 different floor plans. And the lowest price floor plan starts in the mid 600,000s and goes on up to about the mid 800s starting price. And where this property is located, they are doing tons of building out here. There's so much new construction going on. So this community will have tons of trails and walking or biking paths. There's multiple parks, and it's located close to some rec centers as well. And the rec centers will have your pools, they'll have the fitness centers, they have classes and lessons for the kids, they have climbing walls and basketball courts and tennis courts and all kinds of different things at the rec centers. And this property is also located within about 5 miles, 5 to 5.5, I would say, from downtown Parker. And downtown Parker is super cute. There's restaurants, there's bars, there's mom and pop ice cream shops. They do movies in the park there in downtown Parker, right across the street. So it's lots of fun, great place to go shopping with cute little boutiques and things like that. So the location of this property is really good, surrounded by lots of new construction, and you're located fairly close to the international airport. So to get to the airport from here, you're probably looking at about 45 minute drive, a pretty easy drive at that too. If you're interested in other parts of the Denver metro area, well, I would love to help you with those too. So please reach out if I can be of help or service to you. All of my contact information is in the details section and will also be pinned in the comments section below. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I post a video every Tuesday about living in the Denver metro area, and every other Friday is a new construction home tour. That's all I have for you today. So I hope you get out there, make today a great one, and I will see you on the next video.